solve each of the equation in exercises 6 to 9. Now we'll be discussing the sixth one, and what we have over here, we have to solve for the value of x, and this is a quadratic equation in terms of x. Okay, let's try to approach this question. This is a quadratic equation, and quadratic equation can be solved with the help of simple quadratic formula, right? What does the quadratic formula say? The quadratic formula for ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 when a is non-zero. When a is non-zero, x becomes equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is the value of x. That's the solution, right? This is the Sridharacharya formula for solving the quadratic equation, in which this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant or represented by d, capital D. Depending upon the values of capital D, whether positive, negative or equal to 0, we can comment upon the nature of roots of this particular equation, right? Now what do we have over here? We're simply supposed to solve, right? Let's try to solve this. For example, this quadratic equation, let us compare this quadratic equation with the given quadratic equation, and therefore for this quadratic equation what we have is a equals 3, b equals minus 4 and c is equal to 20 by 3. b is minus 4 and c is 20 by 3. Therefore, capital D, which is b square minus 4ac, can be found easily. What is b square minus 4ac equal to? Let's take a look at this. This is minus 4 square, which is 16, minus 4 times a times c. And you can clearly observe this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This is 16 minus 80, which is minus 64. Pretty interesting. D is minus 64, D is negative. Okay. Therefore, x equals minus b, as you can observe, minus b, which will become plus 4, plus minus under root of minus 64 upon 2 times a. A is 3. That's what you observe, right? Now, root of minus 64 can be written as root 64 into root minus 1. Now, square root of minus 1 is simply I, and yes, this will convert to 4 plus minus root 64 I upon this is 6. Okay, let's try to simplify this further. This is 4 is okay, plus minus this is 8I over 6. This is plus or minus over here, right? And further we can cancel a factor of 2 and get 2 plus minus 4I over 3. This is my final answer for this question over here. This is the final answer for this question. Using the Sridharacharya formula, we have solved this quadratic equation and obtained this answer.